Welcome to DelftStack. Today, we will learn how to fix the connection was reset error in Google Chrome. The first step is to clear your cache and cookies. Click on the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. Then go to Privacy and Security and select Clear Browsing Data. Choose All Time as the time range, check the boxes for cached images and cookies, and click Clear Data. This can remove old files that may be causing the error. Next, check your extensions. Sometimes a Chrome extension can block a connection. To test this, open a new Incognito window by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and N. If the site loads in incognito mode, one of your extensions is the problem. You can disable them one by one in Chrome's extensions menu to find the one causing the issue. Another step is to flush the DNS cache. Open Command Prompt as an administrator by searching for CMD, right-clicking it, and selecting Run as administrator. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This clears any stored addresses that might be causing connection problems. Finally, check your antivirus or firewall. Sometimes security software can block a website by mistake. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall and try loading the page. If it works, adjust the settings to allow the site without turning off protection permanently. Following these steps usually fixes the connection was reset error in Chrome. Thanks for watching.